Class 10 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your topic is polynomials MCQs and that is the part 4. Let us start. If one of the zeros of the cubic polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is minus 1, then product of the other two zeros is. So it is given as alpha is given as minus 1 and find the other two product, that means beta into gamma we want to find. So let us start. First of all, write the equation x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write your own equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Now compare first and second. So a will be equal to 1, b equal to a and c equal to b and d is equal to c. Now sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. Put the value. Alpha is minus 1 plus beta plus gamma. गामा इक्वल टू माइनस बी इज माइनस कितना देखो a है, तो माइनस a और a की वैल्यू 1 है हमारे पास. चलिए इसके बाद देखते हैं प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स में. इससे पहले जो है ये अल्फा इक्वल टू माइनस 1 जीरोस है. सो नाउ पुट x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. तो फर्स्ट में नहीं सेकंड में पुट करना है. पुट कर दीजिए सेकंड में. Where is the second? Not second, first है ये. Correct them. फर्स्ट में ही पुट करना है बच्चों. तो क्या होगा इसमें, रख लेते हैं इसमें. तो ये फर्स्ट यानी ये हो गया. तो माइनस 1 क्यूब एंड प्लस a इंटू माइनस 1 स्क्वायर एंड प्लस b इंटू माइनस 1 एंड प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. Here is minus 1 and plus a and minus b plus c equal to 0. Then find the value of c is equal to what? c is equal to हो जाएगा, it is the 1 minus a plus b. As you know product of the roots, so alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to c upon a. Alpha beta, here you can find the value of beta plus gamma. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus a plus 1. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d upon a. Put the value of alpha, that is the minus 1, and here is beta gamma is equal to minus d. D is c and upon a is 1. Now put the value of c. So here is the minus beta gamma is equal to minus, the value is 1 minus a plus b. So minus will be cancelled out. So beta into gamma is equal to 1 minus a plus b. That is your correct answer. So you can choose where is the 1 minus a plus b. So C option will be your correct option. Now come to the second. Next question, it is given as if zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus d, a and a plus d, then find an a plus d, a natural number, an integer, a rational number and irrational number. ये हमें find करना है. First of all, we can write the equation, that is the x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. And now write your own equation, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Now compare both equation. A is equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 1 and d is equal to also 1. Here alpha beta are also given as How? Here is alpha is equal to A minus D, beta is equal to A, and gamma is equal to A plus D. Now sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B upon A. Put the value. Alpha is A minus D, beta is A, and gamma is A plus D is equal to minus B, that is the minus 3, so plus 3 हो जाएगा यहाँ, upon A, that is the 1. So D will be cancelled to each other. So we can say 3A is equal to 3, then A is equal to 3 upon 3. That means A is equal to 1. ये A आपका 1 आ गया. Now come to the product of the roots. Product of the roots, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus D upon A. Alpha is A minus D, beta is A, and gamma is A plus D is equal to minus D. Minus D is, that is the 1 upon 1. So it is 1 minus D, and here is 1, and here is 1 plus D is equal to minus 1. So we can say it is 1 minus D square is equal to minus 1. Then D square is equal to 1 plus 1. So D square is equal to 2. So we can say D is equal to plus minus under root 2. So A plus D, that is the 1 plus minus under root 2, which is an irrational number. So your option will be D is correct. Now come to the next question. It is x square minus 8 of x plus k is equal to, write the own equation, that is the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then comparing both equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to k. Now find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Minus b, that is the 8. So plus 8 हो जाएगा, upon 1 हो जाएगा. So that means alpha plus beta is equal to 8. Now alpha into beta, that is the c upon a. Alpha into beta, c is given as k and a is 1. So we can say, so alpha beta is equal to k only. As you know, alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is given as 8. So you have to put here 8 square and alpha square plus beta square. This one, it is given here, it is the 40. So you have to write 40 plus 2 alpha beta, that is the k. So you have to write k. So 8 is 64 minus 40 is equal to 2k. माइनस कर दीजिए. सो 24 आ जाएगा, दैट इज द 2k. सो k विल बी इक्वल टू 24 अपॉन 2, दैट इज द 12. So k is equal to 12. So your answer will be C. That is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. If alpha beta be the zeros of the polynomial 2x square, so you have to write here 2x square plus 5x plus k is equal to 0. Write your own equation, that is the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing both the equations, so a becomes 2 and b equal to 5 and c equal to k. Now find the alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, that is the minus b upon a. So you have to write alpha plus beta, minus b is the minus 5 and a is 2. So it is the minus 5 by 2. Now product of the roots, that is the alpha beta, it is c upon a. C is k and a is 2. So k upon 2, that is the alpha into beta. So this and this. Okay, now we want to find the value of k. So it is given as alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 upon 4. So you can write here alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta and minus alpha beta. It becomes 21 upon 4. इसको डबल कर दिया और माइनस भी कर दिया, सेम रह गया. but it is the formula of alpha plus beta whole square and minus alpha beta is equal to 21/4. Alpha plus beta is given as minus 5/2, so minus 5/2 whole square, and alpha beta is equal to k upon 2 is equal to 21/4. So you have to write here 25/4. इस 21/4 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले चलते हैं तो माइनस का 21/4 हो जाएगा और k/2 को राइट हैंड साइड ले चलते हैं तो कितना हो जाएगा ये, इट इज द 4/4 दैट इज द k/2. सो 4/4/2 कैंसल आउट, so k will be equal to 2. So your answer will be D, correct option. Now come to the next one, 35. On dividing polynomial px by a non-zero polynomial qx, let gx be the quotient and the rx be the remainder. Then px equal to qx into gx plus rx, whereas in that case, as you know, qx into gx plus rx is equal to px. Here rx जो है या तो आपका 0 होना चाहिए और क्या होना चाहिए, rx की जो डिग्री है, डिग्री ऑफ rx is always less than डिग्री ऑफ gx से इसकी डिग्री लेस होनी चाहिए. सो योर सी ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट. नाउ कम टू द विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 3x इज अ लीनियर इक्वेशन. सो इट इज नॉट अ लीनियर इक्वेशन. एंड द एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x माइनस 1 इज द बाइनोमियल. इसमें भी 3 हो गए हैं, 3 हो गए तो ट्राइनोमियल हो गया. दैट वन इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो x प्लस 1 इज मोनोमियल. इसमें 2 टर्म्स है तो इट इज बाइनोमियल. सो इट वन इज आल्सो नॉट करेक्ट. सो 5x³ इज अ मोनोमियल. एक ही बच गया, दैट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ये मोनोमियल ही है क्योंकि इसमें एक ही टर्म्स है. 5x³ इज ओनली 1 टर्म्स. सो दैट वन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. अल्फा बीटा आर द जीरोज ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. तो पोलिनोमियल लिख लेते हैं. ax² प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. सो अल्फा बीटा आर द पोलिनोमियल. फाइंड द अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर. एज यू नो, अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस b अपॉन a एंड अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू c अपॉन a. We want to find the first of all, you can write the alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Put the value, it is minus b upon a whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, that is the c upon a. Now it is b square upon a square is equal to alpha square plus beta square and plus 2c upon a. इसको शिफ्ट कर दीजिए तो शिफ्ट करके अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2c अपॉन ए. टेकिंग देयर एलसीएम, एलसीएम इज ए स्क्वायर, सो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ca और you can say ac. So alpha square plus beta square, and that one is the answer. So you have to see B option will be your correct answer. The next question, which of the following is not a graph of a quadratic polynomial? So you can see first, the graph does not cut x-axis at any point. Its shape is a parabola. इसकी shape parabola है but it does not cut any x-axis, so there is no 0. So the answer will be wrong. ये answer आपका wrong. Now come to the B. The graph is a parabola cutting x-axis at only one point. So it represents a quadratic polynomial having coincident zeros. मतलब इसका एक ही जो कट कर रहा है वो एक ही पॉइंट आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये coincident है. So that answer is also wrong. Now come to the C part. The graph cuts x-axis at 3 distinct points. So it represents a cubic polynomial. यहाँ 3 जगह काट रहा है. 1, 2 हो गया और ये 3 हो गया. फर्स्ट हो गया, सेकेंड हो गया, थर्ड. 3 जगह पे कट कर रहा है. So it is a cubic equation. not a quadratic. Now D option, D बचा हुआ है, so D is the correct option. The graph is a parabola cutting x-axis at two distinct points, so it represents a quadratic polynomial. First point is here and second point is here, so it is a quadratic equation, so that answer is the correct. आज यहीं रहेगा, बस इसके नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फ़ायदा हो सके, और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट्स करेंगे और बेल आइकन को दबा लेंगे जिससे कि मैं नया वीडियो डालूं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मेरा सबसे पहले मिल सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूं।